How to fix archive stories missing or not working on Instagram. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, go ahead and open Instagram application in your mobile device. Once you open it up, you'll have to make sure that you're logged into your Instagram account. Now once you're logged in, simply tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now from your profile, you'll see three-line icon at the top right corner. Tap onto it. From here, under how you use Instagram, simply tap on archive. And in this section, tap on story archive drop-down and make sure stories archive is selected. But if the story archive is missing in this section, simply tap on this three dot at the top right corner. Tap on settings. And now in this section, go ahead and toggle off the button that says Save Story to Archive. Wait for 20 seconds and then toggle it back again. Now once you do that, head back to archive and see if the archive stories is here or not. If it still does not fix your issue, head back to your home screen and then open settings application. Inside settings, scroll below and then tap on general. From here, tap on iPhone storage. Now inside iPhone storage, search for Instagram and then tap onto it. Now once you are in this section, tap on upload app and then tap on upload app again. Uploading the application will help you to free up the stories used by Instagram and will also help you to clear the cache. Now once you upload the app, make sure to reinstall the application again. And with that, your problem will be fixed. And that is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.